Hello there from IKEA HYLLIS. It's got a metal tray, metal shelf for $19.90, just under $20 Singapore. IKEA, which we got it. Of course, you have to self-assemble it. It looks not too difficult to assemble, but it was a little bit tricky. Well, then again, we are no self-assemble experts, but it took about half hour. Follow the steps and procedures step by step. It took a couple of people to assemble. Hyllis. Yeah, we wanted something to increase the space in our storeroom. So this is the Hyllis version, which is much higher. So we had two versions of the Hyllis. This is the tall one. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Hyllis. And there is what the 4-layer Hyllis, how we deployed it, put it in a storeroom, so expand the space, useful. Can't remember how much the bigger one cost, but it's not too expensive. You just have to fix it yourself. IKEA, along Alexandra Road in Singapore. IKEA, very popular place. Go early if you want to avoid the queues and the crowds. Ciao ciao, have a great day.